Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change clock font on iPhone lock screen. So guys, at first you need to lock your screen like here. From the lock screen you need to long press on it, and after giving your passcode you need to just click on this customize button. So click on customize and again click on lock screen. Now here you can see the clock. Just click on the clock like this, and here you can see there are some fonts here. You can just change the font you want, like any kind of font you want. And if you scroll this, the font will be edited like this. Any kind of font according to you. Like this. Any color. Color depth. So guys, that's how you can change clock font on iPhone screen. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.